Good morning, students. Welcome to the new session, Class 4th. Today, our science topic is food. Children, daily we used to eat so many varieties of food like rice, dal, puri, vegetables, fruits, salads, pizza, sandwiches, bread, cake, milk, curd, eggs, etc. Anytime, have you think from where we are getting all these things? We get food from plants and animals. So children, we must be very thankful for plants, animals and also for the farmers. Children, can we live without eating food? No, we cannot live without eating food. Not only we, any living being on the earth cannot live without eating food. For example, think of yourself. If you did not have your meal for one day means how you will feel? By the evening, you will feel so hungry and you will become tired and you may have no energy to do your work. Yes, children? And one more example, children. Do this experiment in your home. Take two plants of same size and same variety and plant them in two pots. Daily once pour water to one plant and do not give any water to the other plant. After a week, observe the two plants. The plant which was watered daily will grow healthy and the second plant will become weak and it will die as it has not given any water. What did you understand by this experiment, children? We understood that every living being needs food to live. Children, why do we eat food? We eat food to live, to grow, to get energy, to be healthy, and to protect ourselves from diseases. Yes, children? Okay. To get energy, we have to eat energy giving food. To grow, we have to take bodybuilding food. And to stay healthy and fight against the diseases, we should take protective food. So children, daily we have to take healthy diet. What is meant by diet? Food that we take every day is called our diet. That means the food which we eat from morning to night, that is our breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, whatever food we eat in a day is called our diet. Understood, children? Okay. Our body needs a variety of food in our diet to fulfill our body's need. It means daily diet should contain energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. If we do not take all kinds of food in our diet means we may feel tired and we do not have any energy to do our work and we may fall ill also. So children, daily we have to eat all kinds of food. The food substances needed by our body to serve different purposes are called nutrients. Understood, children? Okay, tell me what are nutrients? Nutrients are the food substances essential for our body. Nutrients help our body to grow, to be healthy, and also protect us from diseases. So children, daily we have to take nutritious food. Some of you may get doubt that Can we see the nutrients? Children, we cannot see the nutrients. They are the chemical substances present in our food. For example, we are all suffering because of corona. Yes, children? Yes. Can we see coronavirus, children? No, we cannot see it. If it is visible to our eyes means we may not stay like this in our home. We might be in our school now. Yes, children. And also, our scientists may have cured this disease in the early stage only. So, in the same way, nutrients are not visible to our eyes. But by doing some experiments, we can know what type of nutrient is present in the food. Understood, children? Okay. And now, let us learn about the nutrient groups. What are nutrient groups? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals are the nutrient groups. Once again repeat it, children. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals are the nutrient groups. Now, let us know about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy giving nutrients for our body. People who work hard like farmers, players, students like you need more carbohydrates. Cereals, potatoes, bananas and sugar are the rich sources of carbohydrates. Children, do you know what is meant by source? Source means a place, a person or a thing from which something comes. Once read this first sentence, students. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. From where we are getting energy? From carbohydrates. So here, carbohydrates are the source. Read the second sentence. Cereals, potatoes, bananas and sugar are the main sources of carbohydrates. From where we are getting carbohydrates? From cereals, potatoes, bananas, sugar, etc. So here cereals, potatoes, bananas and sugar are the sources of carbohydrates. And from where these cereals, potatoes, bananas and sugar coming from? From plants. So plants are the source of cereals, potatoes, bananas and sugar. Understood, children? Now let us know about fats. Fats are another nutrient group that give us a lot of energy, twice as much as carbohydrates give us. Fats help us to keep healthy. But too much fatty foods tend to make us fat and obese. Nowadays, children, have you noticed so many people, even small kids, are also suffering because of this obesity? And also, children, by taking too much of fatty food causes many medical problems like high blood pressure and heart attacks. And also, our body does not prefer to use fats as a main energy source because it is difficult to unlock energy from the fatty food. So children, take the food which contain less quantity of fat and avoid the food which contain more fat. Oily food, butter, ghee, cheese, fries, etc. are rich in fats. Understood, children? And now let us know about proteins. Proteins are the body building nutrients. They help in growth of the body, building up muscles, fighting off infections, and also repair wounds and injuries. If you take protein-rich food daily means you won't feel hungry for a longer period of time because proteins take more time to digest. Children, when you were born, what is your weight and height? Once ask your parents, what is your weight and height when you were born? Your weight might be 3 kilograms to 4 kilograms and your height might be 19 inches to 21 inches long. Yes, children. And what is your weight and height now, children? Is there any change in your weight and height from your birth? There is a lot of change in your weight and height from your birth. Yes or no, children? Yes. There is a lot of change in your weight and height from your birth. It is because we are all growing. Every living being will grow. So children, daily eat food which contain proteins as it helps your body to grow and keeps you healthy. Okay children? Milk products, pulses, beans, peas, meat, fish, soya beans, eggs, etc. are good sources of proteins. Understood children? Why we need food and from where do we get food, about nutrients, nutrient groups, and about carbohydrates, fats and proteins? Okay children, in the next class, let us continue the lesson with vitamins and minerals. Thank you.